Hi, my name is Demetra Moore, and I'm someone who's passionate and driven to make an impact in the world of leadership. I'm passionate about speaking simply because I believe that my message can empower and engage teams and organizations all over the world.
So I challenge you, as you face failures, your peaks and valleys on your journey of entrepreneurship, understand that the strong prevail. But in order to do that, you got to rid yourself of the head trash. So I need y'all to stand with me. We're about to get rid of trash. We're about to toss the trash out. Get rid of imposter syndrome. Get rid of self-doubt. Toss it out. Get rid of limiting beliefs. Get rid of the thinking trap. Get rid of all the people. Y'all not throwing out the trash. Throw out the trash. Get rid of it. All right? Get rid of it. It doesn't serve you.
I just finished listening to Demetra Moore speak, and oh my goodness, I have been so impacted. She told her story with so much heart, so much honesty and transparency. I am certain that I have everything that I need to take my life and my business, my dreams, and my goals to the next level. I highly encourage you, whoever is watching, to book her for your next event. You will not be disappointed.
Organizations bring me in to help support their employees through every phase of their career. For example, when someone is new to the team and they're moved up to an independent contributor, that is a transition. And if they move from an independent contributor to a people manager, we are there to offer support along the way.
What's up, y'all? CJ here, right-hand man to the number one motivational speaker in the world. That's right, Dr. Eric Thomas, Mr. When You Want to Succeed as Bad as You Want to Breathe. But I'm here to talk to you about Demetra. All right, listen, when I tell you this young lady is a transformational speaker, you will not regret bringing her in. Listen, that's going to be one of the best decisions you or your company ever make.
See, 95% of organizations understand that professional development is necessary, but only 5% make the investment. So if you want to be mediocre, you can stay with the 95%, or you can shoot your shot and be among the stars with the 5. And I challenge you right now, just make the investment.
Today, Demetra came and spoke to our administrative leaders for Administrative Professionals Day, and it was amazing. Our administrative staff walked away with feeling really connected to each other. The things that they actually shared with me that they walked away with was owning their purpose, choosing with intention, and I really think people are going to be more encouraged to use their voice in their spaces, not just at work, but also at home.
My name is Demetra Moore. I look forward to partnering with you and your organization to help you experience what it is to have more out of your life and more out of your organization.